And then online arbitrage, how does it work then? Like, can you quickly explain that? Because people heard that, I guess, and maybe those who don't know.
Yeah, online arbitrage is basically the same, except you don't go to the stores. You go to basically online store. Let's say you can go to Nike physical outlet, right? But you also can go to Nike site and just search clearance. And basically we just open each listing. We compare to Amazon by title, by pictures, by UPC if it's available. And we just find a match first. And then we see if it's a profitable item. We can see also, we can look if we can sell this item, because you can be gated or you can be restricted in some brands. And that is it. When you find a match and you find a profit over there, we just place an order. We just add item to the cart and put our address, put our credit card, and make them ship to either our home if we prep ourselves, or if you want to utilize a prep center, we ship it to the prep.
Pretty clear. Yeah. Similar to online to retail arbitrage, after the product lands in our home, we do the same process as with retail arbitrage. We ship, we prep and all that, yeah. But we find the products online. That's why there is more competition, as you said, probably because more people can go online and find these things, and not too many people will go, I guess, on foot to different stores.